In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to adjust padding around elements in Base44. Padding is the space inside an element, between the content and its border. Adjusting it is one of the quickest ways to fix layouts that feel too cramped or too spread out. In this walkthrough, I'll guide you through exactly where to click and what to look for, so you can confidently control spacing around any element in your Base44 project. First, make sure you're in your project and on the page you want to edit. At the top of the interface, look for the option labeled Visual Edit. Go ahead and click on Visual Edit. This switches you into an interactive editing mode where you can directly work with elements on the page rather than digging through code or complex menus. You'll know you're in the right place when you can hover over parts of your page and see outlines or highlights appear around them. Next, move your mouse over the page and select the element whose padding you want to adjust. This could be a heading, a button, an image, a section, or any other block on the page. Click once on that element. When it's selected, you should see some sort of boundary box, highlight, or sidebar panel indicating that this specific element is active. If you accidentally select the wrong thing, just click on a different part of the page until the correct element is highlighted. With the element selected, look at the editing panel or toolbar, usually on the side or at the top of the screen. You're looking for the spacing icon. This is often represented by a small box with arrows or a similar visual hint that it controls margins and padding. Click on the spacing icon to open the spacing controls. This panel is where you manage how much empty space appears in and around your element. Inside the spacing controls, find the section labeled padding. This is different from margin. Padding controls the space inside the element, while margin controls the space outside of it. In the padding area, you'll typically see controls for the top, right, bottom, and left sides. You can adjust them individually to create custom spacing on each side, or sometimes link them together to apply the same value all around. Increase the values to add more breathing room around your content, or decrease them if things feel too spread out. Once you're happy with how everything looks, make sure to review your page and, if needed, save or publish